Today, all eyes are on the Arctic, a region at the forefront of security, diplomacy, commerce, and great power competition. Alaska is our country's foothold in the region, America's sentinel in the north, at the nexus of domestic and foreign policy. Welcome to the University of Alaska Fairbanks, a century in the making, ready for the new global Arctic. We are America's Arctic University. From the North Slope to the Gulf of Alaska, the Kenai Peninsula to the Aleutian Chain, the waters of the Panhandle to the mountains of the Alaska Range. At UAF, the Arctic is in our DNA, and we are here to serve. The University of Alaska Fairbanks, America's Arctic University.